Perfect.
I'm grinding.
That's exactly what I was going to say. I mean, I just looked right over there.
Didn't it look just like that?
Yes, exactly. Or wasn't that another kind of dance?
I don't know. I don't know what dance
Is this an Albanian thing?
I don't know. I was just making it up. I was trying to be funny.
Or grind. You're hilarious.
Aren't I?
Yes. And cute. All right, so we have our adorable glass grinders.
Okay.
And here's what a little housekeeping on this. There's 7 different grinds in here. So that's what we love about these. So first of all, beautiful glass.
So you choose.
You choose. We have the patterns. We have the grinder here, the pattern right there on the glass. You're getting both of them. It's a simple grind mechanism. You're just going to go ahead and twist it. When you want to fill it, you just go ahead and unscrew the jar.
Genius.
And then I'm going to show you, after we go through the color choices, some of the other details, because this is not just a grinder.
All right, so remember, you're getting
Grind
both
back
of them
here.
for $5 on a credit card. Yeah, we're grinding on the way back here. We've got Puffetti.
Yes.
So I'm going to show you that right away. If you want Puffetti, don't wait. We only have 700 to go around, but we're very, very busy with Puffetti. Over here is Doodle Doo. You're killing me.
The roosters, they're floating, and good luck in your kitchen.
700 to go around in the Doodle Doo. You're going to get a nice close-up of that. I got to wait for that.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yay.
Look at that. It looks like a Doodle Doo toile. It's amazing. Then over here, we have the Old World in the blue, $450. Old World in the red, $475, and then last but not least, there it is in the confetti.
Confetti.
$600. $5 on a credit card gets it home. Okay, and by the way, it's not just for pepper and salt.
Well,
right?
this is what I wanted to show you.
So,
7 different grinds. So look at how you can go from the thinnest, like almost like a dust, to maybe a little thicker. Some of that. Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
You're like, move this along, Tara, okay? We only have like 4 minutes.
I'm taking longer.
Well, maybe a little bit.
I'm taking
All right,
longer.
so there are 7 different grinds, and I wanted to show you that. But here's when we were talking about why this makes so much sense. The way I designed the cap here, you can have it, again, so that you can grind right inside here, and then you can use that dust. A lot of times you don't want to grind over like a steaming pot because you don't want to interfere with that mechanism. There you can see. So now it collects right inside here. Now if I wanted to go ahead and sprinkle that on my eggs, I could do that as well as go ahead and grind right on top of it. So you adjust the grinder right there. What's nice about that is, again, it's ceramic. That's what's nice about that mechanism.
So if you want it more fine, you can turn that
twist
and
the
make
dial.
it more fine.
Yep, and you make it more fine.
Or you can make it more coarse.
Yes, exactly. And
like
it's
me, I
super
love
easy.
coarse.
Me too. You want
pepper.
the flavor. You want the flavor.
I want the flavor.
Yeah, and what's nice is when you buy these herbs, you know, and they're not already.
Wow, rosemary.
Yeah, rosemary for the chicken, right?
Oh, I didn't realize that you could grind it like that.
And what's nice about that is look at how beautiful. Here I'm doing a nice mist, but you can, of course, make it super thick. But what's nice about this is fresh herbs, you're not pulverizing them until you're actually putting it on your food, and so it stays fresher longer. So look how great and sweet this is. Salt and pepper, of course.
Think about putting that over your potatoes.
Yes.
Lemon rosemary potatoes.
Yes.
Or even
here's
like,
salt and pepper. Want to use it?
Yes, please.
Go for it. I'll do. So look, here's a nice coarse grind on that salt that you're seeing right there over the meat. Nice. So I love that.
And then it's like at the restaurant. You have to say when.
Right. By the way, my Ed, it's our anniversary today. Happy anniversary,
oh my gosh,
honey.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah, thank you. Anyway, he's always like, keep it coming. Don't be shy. Keep it coming. The poor server's like, okay, I'll keep it coming. Yeah.
All right, so take a look at this, right? So again, you can make it a fine or a coarse
How great
grind,
that is. Isn't that
whichever
smooth?
one you'd like, and it is really smooth. Over 500 orders
These
placed.
are great, you guys.
$5 on a credit card. Over here are your choices.
Doodle-doo!
Doodle-doo is fantastic. We have 600 remaining. Pawfetti, most popular. Only $450 remaining. That's going to sell out. There's your blue in the classic. 400, red in the classic. $450, and then confetti in the classic, $500. Okay, 84552 is your item number. That, my friends, is brand new today. Pick that up and try it out for yourself, along with that countertop holder. But right now, let's talk to you about a clearance priced item. I remember when we launched it.